Ever dreamed of turning your spare change into a nest egg? Maybe you've been reading investment blogs or seeing those financial guru types online. They make it seem so easy, right? Buy low, sell high, and watch your riches pile up. But then reality hits. The stock market seems complex, investment platforms have hidden fees, and who even knows where to begin? Well, one platform causing a stir is Wealthsimple. It's sleek, user-friendly, and promises commission-free investing. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? So, is Wealthsimple the magic bullet to financial freedom, and more importantly, can you even use it if you don't live in Canada? Let's dive in. Wealthsimple 101, from robo-advisor to trading platform. Wealthsimple started in 2014 as a robo-advisor. Basically, you answer a few questions about your risk tolerance and financial goals, and Wealthsimple builds a diversified portfolio of stocks and ETFs, exchange-traded funds, for you. They handle the rebalancing and keep everything running smoothly in the background. It's perfect for beginners who want a hands-off approach. But Wealthsimple didn't stop there. In 2019, they launched Wealthsimple Trade, a commission-free stock and ETF trading platform. This was a game-changer in Canada, especially for young investors who were tired of the high fees traditional brokerages charged. So, what's the catch? There's always a catch, right? Well, with Wealthsimple Trade, you're giving up some features you might find with a traditional brokerage. There are limited order types, for example, so you can't get super fancy with your trading strategies. Also, some investment products, like options contracts, aren't available. But for many new investors, the ease of use and commission-free trades outweigh these limitations. Plus, Wealthsimple offers tons of educational resources to help you learn the ropes. The Great Canadian Investment Firewall. Alright, now we get to the real question, is Wealthsimple only for Canadians? Unfortunately, the answer is yes. Wealthsimple is currently only licensed to operate in Canada. There are a few reasons for this. First, financial regulations differ from country to country. Getting licensed in every market is a complex and expensive process. Second, Wealthsimple likely sees a huge opportunity in the underserved young investor market in Canada. There have been rumors of Wealthsimple expanding to other countries, but there's nothing concrete yet. For now, if you're outside the true north, you'll have to look for an investment platform licensed in your region. Wealthsimple, a viable option, but with limits. Wealthsimple is a great platform for Canadian residents looking for a user-friendly and affordable way to invest. Whether you're a robo-advisor newbie or a commission-conscious trader, Wealthsimple has something to offer. However, if you live outside of Canada, you're currently out of luck. Do your research, explore your options, and remember, investing for the long term is key to building a secure financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.